Next step is to actually install VeraCrypt. VeraCrypt can be downloaded from this URL here, VeraCrypt. Note the .fr extension here. And we're going to download the Windows version, and if we're successful, we'll get this SHA-256 checksum. So the next step is to go on over to the virtual machine. Which I have right here. I'll use a browser here. It'll come up right on the top of this here, and we've got downloads. Okay. So we need to download the Windows version, because simple little click, and tell it to save. Now this is going to take a little while, so I will fast forward here to just before the download completes. The download is nearly completed. We have just about 10 seconds left. And once it has completed, we're going to confirm that what we have downloaded is what we expected to get downloaded. For right now, we'll just close this part. Okay. Note that we've got a padlock here, and we've got the domain name we were expecting. VeraCrypt. And the FR is very important there. This is where we download it from, and we can pick up the expected checksum right here. The file we downloaded is the last one shown here. So we should get this SHA-256 checksum starts with D55C. This is one of the places where Cygwin is quite useful. I'll bring up a Cygwin terminal here quickly. And then all I need to do is type in SHA-256 sum. And we got, it went to downloads, and the file is right there. And this will generate the checksum on the file we downloaded. Note that it starts with the D55, just as expected there. And although there's a lot of characters, I do not see any characters that mismatch, begins and ends. Fairly good confirmation that we got the correct one there. So no longer do we need the browser. We're going to go execute. So under downloads, we've got the Cygwin installation that I downloaded earlier during the setup, and we've got the VeraCrypt file that we just downloaded. Double clicking that. And here we've got it signed by VeraCrypt, and yes, we want to allow them to make changes. Okay, we've got English. Here, I've already read this license, and you'll need to also read it and confirm that you agree with all of this. But anyways, we'll go accept the license, and next. Okay, so when I do an install here, put it in the default location. Okay. For now, and I've already gone through the tutorial, and that's why I'm demonstrating it here. Okay. And close the browser, and we now have VeraCrypt. Double clicking on it. And this is the dialog which we're going to use as we continue on in this demonstration.